Oh, it's got handles on it. Do. Is that beat then? Ta-da! Ooh. Oh, it's on. Yeah, that was this. Right, I'll take it over now. Thank you very much. I like this blade pattern on the wheel. It's amazing how flat the board is because the batteries are all like inside there. I have heard someone say that it doesn't have as much flex because of that, but we'll see. And there are the suspension trucks, both sides. Because this board probably isn't as flexy as other boards, because the flexiness of the deck adds a certain level of cushioning, and maybe because this doesn't do that, the suspension will be making up for it. Also in the box was the charger, the instruction manual, the adjustment T-tool, and a charger for the remote, which is, I am happy to say, USB-C, and the remote itself. So let's get this on the road. Right, before I took out the Outdoor Master, I wanted to just go up the hill one more time with my old Cool and Fun skateboard. You remember it struggles up here. It is on max power at the moment. And I've just figured out how to use the brake as well. But as you can see, not very quick. So this is 400 watts in one hub motor. So I always found that a bit weird that only one wheel was getting power. It's speeding up a bit now. Okay, I like the way the deck feels quite nice. Let's lean back. Let's go slowly. Speed one. Speed one. How fast am I going? I've got it in miles per hour now. So I'm hoping, because it's powerful, so 2 lots of 450 watt motors, that even the speed one, it should take me up the 7 miles per hour. Let's go speed 2. Speed 2. What's that noise? 10 miles an hour, 11 miles an hour. Already faster than the other one up the hill. 12 miles an hour, 13 miles an hour. This is okay, I'm going to try speed 3. What is that noise? I'm gonna, whoa, brake's quite good. I don't know what that noise is. I think it's part of the suspension. Something to do with the suspension clicking. Let's just go for it. Whoa, whoa, Jesus Christ. Oh wow. Jeez, it's fast. I'm not used to this. Brake's good. So can I go across the road right by? Really had to push back on my back foot then. Let's go. 16. Oh. It's going left and right a bit. Jeez. I'm scared of the brake. Let's go in here. Oh, this road is nice and smooth. A bit windy. 10, 13. I really don't want to fall off this. Jeez. Okay, I'm kind of undulating quite a lot. Oh my god. I'm only in speed 3. I'm 18 miles an hour. This feels a lot faster than the other one, dude. Jeez, you can tell the difference. I mean, this is more powerful than my most powerful e-bike. So apart from my unicycle, this is now my most powerful vehicle. 900 watts, well, 2 lots of 450. So much power for a skateboard. This is just unreal. Gonna try and, what's it called? You know, like straighten it up a bit. Brake. brake. Jesus Christ, this is madness. No cars coming. Let's go on the road. I put a lot of pressure on my back wheel. Back foot. I don't own wheels. I own wheels, but I meant back foot. I'm going 21 miles an hour. 22 miles an hour. 23. Whoa! 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 That's dangerous. Oh my. I feel like I'm so close to any moment just kind of losing it with the wobble. This is the scariest thing I own, easily. Even the fact that electric unicycles at any moment could fail and you could die, I feel like if it happens on this, it's on me. And it's not the board's fault. Oh, what was that? The braking is... I think I'm in brake level 4. Let's have a look. I'm going to go around the block again. Oh, my back leg is hurting. No, just stop over here. Oh, wow. Jesus. Right, so I'll hold brake and press that. Brake 1, so that was in brake 4. Let's try brake 2. And the good thing about it, I like the way you can hold the brake, and now it's got braking in 2 wheels. Look at it, it's getting weird, rather than 1. So that was in level 3. I feel like I should tighten up. You know what? I might go back and tighten retighten the trucks again. Actually. Okay, those brakes are nicer. Right, let's try speed 4 up the hill then. Is it going to be faster than all of my other devices? It feels it. 16, up the hill, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I don't want to crash into a car. This is ridiculous. Should we get straight on? No one coming? Right, I've got a feeling this road's not very good, so I've got to be careful. Woo. I don't want to talk too soon, but it does feel a bit more stable now. I'll tell you what, these smooth skateboard wheels, they can go over more than you'd think. They're not exactly like bike wheels or anything, but they're not bad. There's a car. Let's let the car go past. Try and catch the car. 12, 13. Okay, this is a bit bumpy down here. I've got to watch out for dodgy road bits. 17. Let's go down Romsey. Let's check the brakes. Yeah, they're alright. I love this one. I love this road. Come on. Let's get some good views. Manhole cover. Car. This is actually going as expected, basically. Right, I'm going to go around one more time. Down here. You can feel the power difference. And this is still a budget board, remember. The other one, the Amazon board, is just like super cheap, whereas this one is budget. The difference being, this is like budget quality, whereas the Amazon one is just cheap. You don't want to get a skateboard with one motor, get one with two. Even if this is too fast for you, just use it in a lower speed. It just pulls. It just pulls, man. I'm impressed. I think I might be getting a bit overconfident now, but because it just feels more stable now I've tightened up the trucks. Right, something I haven't really talked about yet is the suspension. And I've got to say, you saw the wheels of this one and my old board, and they're very similar. This does feel smoother, and I don't feel like it's just bottomed out, like what often happens. It is quite smooth. Like the bumps, you can feel them, but they're not like jarring. Whoa. This is nice. Whoa. So, more about the specs. Whatever I miss, I put it on the screen, but 15 miles range, which is, you know, it's not exactly, if you wanted to go for a ride, a big group ride, you'd want a bit more than that, wouldn't you? I've put it into speed 1 somewhere. I'm gonna go a bit further down there. So yeah, 15 miles, it's fine for what I do as a car. But yeah, if you wanted to go on a big group ride, you'd want another one. Now Outdoor Master, they do another board, a booster, which goes 25 miles, same speed, same power, 900 watts, only it doesn't have suspension. So basically out there too, it's like, do you want suspension? And if you do, go for this one. I don't want to go down Harrowby, it's a bit bumpy down there, I'll try that. Ooh, there's a big divot there, can I go over that? Yep. Whoa, this road is not nice. This is going through my feet. Oh, that bit's nice, that bit's nice, that bit's not! I'm gonna go down here. Okay, this road looks better. Southbourne. Right. Oh, that's better. That's better. Whew. So yeah, this is the 50 mile range one. The other one's got quite a big, hefty battery. What I like about this is the bottom of the board. The bottom of the board, like you can't tell. Like, I mean, obviously I'm on an electric skateboard because normal ones just don't go this fast. But it doesn't really look like an electric skateboard. Have I just gone down a cul-de-sac? Oh no, I haven't. Don't worry. Oh, but I have got to get used to the strain I put on my back leg. But you know what? I'm going to do I don't want to go. Whoa! I'm still not used to turning left. All I had to do was turn left. Suspension's pretty good though. Let's go. I'm a fan. So first impressions of this board are that it's a good board. It is, well, at least compared to the last one I had, that Cool and Fun one, which was fine. I think if that Cool and Fun one was about £100, it'd be all right. But because it's £200, which is not that much less than this, it's not. Now I'm under no power at the moment, so I'm just coasting. Need to get that front leg a bit, give my back leg a bit of rest. Because if you pull the brake, you want to step back. When you accelerate, you want to push yourself forward a bit. When you're on brake, you want to push yourself back a bit. Let's go up here. Whoop. Oh, that's a leaf. There's going to be a rock. Let's go. But yeah, get some good speed on this, and it feels a lot more stable now. Definitely tighten your trucks up. I don't know why do people supply them loose? So they want you all to die. Right, anyway, that is the end of this video. Have you enjoyed that or got anything from it? Smash that like button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Do check out the boxes that are popping up now. Other video suggestions. We've got a lot of stuff going on the channel, so yeah, check those out. Help me get YouTube to put me out there. And thanks for watching if you got this far. Especially as, I don't know why, but e-skate videos just aren't as popular as other videos, but oh well. I think they're well cool. Anyway, until next time, ride safe.